Okay, so now let us solve some questions from the practice sheet. In practice sheet we will going to discuss question number 13. Question number 13 has 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so let us read question number 13. Question number 13 says, solve the following pair of linear equations by the cross multiplication method. Okay, so we need to solve the pair of linear equation by cross multiplication method. So क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड की मदद से हमें एक पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करना है. लेट अस सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 13, द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. सबसे पहले हम इक्वेशन को लिख लेते हैं. इक्वेशन क्या है? इक्वेशन इज 8x प्लस 5y इज इक्वल्स टू 9 एंड द सेकेंड इक्वेशन इज 3x plus 2y is equals to 4. So these are the two equations for which we need to find the solution, the common solution for this pair of linear equation by cross multiplication method. हमें यहाँ पे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड को लगाना है. इस क्वेश्चन के थ्रू हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड का एप्लीकेशन सीखेंगे कि उसे अप्लाई किस तरह से किया जाता है. नाउ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड लगाने के लिए एक खास कंडीशन है, एक नेसेसरी कंडीशन है. दैट नेसेसरी कंडीशन इज द टू इक्वेशंस शुड बी प्रेजेंट इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. ओके, कंडीशन क्या है? दैट द टू इक्वेशंस ऑन विच यू आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड शुड बी प्रेजेंट इन देयर स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. सो हमारे लिए सबसे पहला यही टास्क है कि जो इक्वेशन गिवन है इसे हम कन्वर्ट करें स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में, स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन में. सो अगर मैं फर्स्ट इक्वेशन दैट इज 8x प्लस 5y इज इक्वल्स टू 9 को स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखना चाहता हूं, सो व्हाट विल बी द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म फॉर दिस फर्स्ट इक्वेशन? इट विल बी 8x प्लस 5y माइनस 9 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. दिस विल बी द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. We will call this equation as the first one. Okay, similarly the second equation is 3x, this one 3x plus 2y, और ये 4 को इधर ले आएंगे, it will be minus 4 इधर, this will be 0 and this we call as the second equation. So these two are the equations in the standard form. अब हमारे पास standard form में equation आ चुकी है. Now let us determine the coefficients. What is the coefficients of x? Coefficient of x is 8 and 3. So I will say the value of a1 is 8 and a2 is 3. Similarly the value of b1 is 5 and the value of b2 is 2. Okay, and similarly the value of c1 is minus 9 and the value of c2 is minus 4. सो हमने सभी कोएफिशिएंट्स और कांस्टेंट टर्म्स की वैल्यू को डिटरमाइन कर लिया है. नाउ वी नीड टू अप्लाई द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड. हमने क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड के बारे में जो सीखा है दैट इज टू हाउ टू रिमेंबर द शॉर्टकट टू रिमेंबर द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड इज यहाँ पर x लिखिए, देन y, देन 1. ओके, इन तीनों के बीच में इज इक्वल्स टू का साइन लगा देते हैं. देन वी विल राइट b c a and then b. okay, b c a and b. b के नीचे लिखेंगे b1 b2 c1 c2 a1 a2 and then again b1 b2. okay, from this we will get the value of x like this. This is b1 c2 and this will be b2 c1. So we will get x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equals to y upon c1 a2 or c2 a1. c1 a2 minus c2 a1. okay, this is equals to 1 divided by a1 b2 or a2 b1. a1 b2 minus a2 b1. इस तरह से हमें रिलेशन मिलता है क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड में. नाउ इस मेथड में या तो हम इन कोएफिशिएंट्स और कांस्टेंट्स का वैल्यू, इन सभी का वैल्यू डायरेक्टली यहां से उठा के इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देते हैं, या फिर और अगर ज़्यादा कन्वीनियंस चाहिए सो इन वैल्यूज़ को उठा के यहाँ पर सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देते हैं और फर्दर इस तरह से सॉल्व कर लेते हैं। सो हमारे पास ये कंडीशन आ गया क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन का। नाउ दिस x अपॉन समथिंग is equals to y upon something is equals to 1 upon something. Okay, now from this condition I can say that x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equals to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, ये अगर ये टर्म इज इक्वल्स टू ये एंड दिस इज इक्वल्स टू दिस, देन आई कैन से द फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड आर आल्सो इक्वल, मतलब a इज इक्वल्स टू b इज इक्वल्स टू c अगर लिखा है देन a इज इक्वल्स टू c एंड b इज इक्वल्स टू c एंड a इज इक्वल्स टू b, तीनों कंडीशंस वैलिड होती हैं. सो वी हैव गॉट दिस कंडीशन. नाउ फ्रॉम दिस कंडीशन आई कैन से द वैल्यू ऑफ x विल बी, the value of x will be, ये b1 c2 minus b2 c1 को इधर ले आते हैं, this will give you b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This will be the condition. Okay, this will be the condition. This will be the value of x. And what about the value of y? The value of y can be obtained in similar manner. I can equate these two parts. इन दोनों को हम equate करेंगे. This will give you the value of y as c1a2 minus c2a1 divided by a1b2 minus a2b1. This will be the value of y that you can obtain from this part. Okay. Now value of y आ गया, value of x आ गया. Now what we can do? We can simply substitute the values of x, this a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2 in these conditions. Okay, or you can use this step also. ये step में भी हम substitute कर सकते हैं और इस step में भी हम substitute कर सकते हैं. So let us substitute the value of a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2 in this step, this particular step. Okay, this one. So I can say it will give you x upon क्या लिखा है b1 c2. What is b1? b1 is 5, c2 is minus 4. So this will give you 5 into minus 4. This is b1 c2 minus b2 c1. What is b2? b2 is 2 and c1 is minus 9. So this will give you minus b2 is 5 and b1 is minus 9. Sorry, b2 is 2. Okay, b2 is 2. This value is 2. This will be equals to y divided by y is equals to what? Y is equals to y upon c1 a2. What is c1 and a2? The value of c1 is minus 9 and a2 is 3. So y upon c1 is minus 9 into 3 minus this minus c2 into a1. What is c2? c2 is minus 4 into a1 is 8. So minus c2 is minus 4 into 8. This will be equals to 1 upon, and 1 upon what? 1 upon a1 b2. What is a1? The value of a1 is 8 and b2 is 2. So 8 into 2. This will be 8 into 2 minus a2 b1. What is a2? a2 is 3 and b1 is 5. So minus 3 into 5. Okay. Now let us solve this. We will solve this part. This will give you x upon 5 into minus 4 is minus 20 and 2 into minus 9 is minus 18. 9 to the 18, but यहाँ पर एक minus और है, so 2 minus will become plus. So minus 18 plus, sorry, minus 20 plus 18. This is equals to y divided by, this is minus 9 into 3. So this is minus 27. So this will give you minus 27 and minus 4 into 8. So 8 4s are 32, but it is a negative. Then one more negative, this will give you positive 32. So plus 32, okay, is equals to 1 divided by 8 into 2 is 16 minus 3 into 5 is 15. So this is 8 into 2 16 minus 15. Now from this I can get x upon minus 20 plus 18 is minus 2, okay, is equals to y upon minus 27 plus 32. How much it will be? Minus 27 and plus 32 will give you plus 5 is equals to 1 upon 16 minus 15 is 1. Now this is x upon minus 2 is equals to y upon 5 is equals to 1 upon 1. So I can get the value of x as x upon minus 2 is equals to 1 upon 1, that is it will give you the value of x as minus 2, okay, x is equals to minus 2. Then y upon 5 is give you 1 upon 1. Equating these two, you will get the value of y as 5. So this will be the value of y and this will be the value of x, okay. So we have applied the cross multiplication method. We don't need to write these conditions. ये सिर्फ एक्सप्लेनेशन के लिए मैंने लिखा है, आपको नहीं लिखना, आपको सिर्फ यहाँ तक लिखना है और उसके बाद डायरेक्टली ये स्टेप पे आ जाना है, ओके. दिस इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड for you, this is not required to write in exam, okay. While solving this question you can simply write this step and then this step and further solve this to obtain the final solution. So you can say this is not a different method. This method is just a derivation of the elimination method or the substitution method, but it is a quite convenient method compared to those methods, okay. उन method से convenient है, बस you need to remember कि you need to be very careful while calculating these values, while substituting these values and also the calculation part of these values, because majority of the mistakes यहीं पे होना है. So please remember this, okay. So in this way we have obtained the solution for first part of question number 13. So you can note this, then we will, so this is the first part of question number 13, then we will solve the second and third part. Okay, now let us solve the second part of question number 13. The second part of the question number 13 says find the solve the pair of linear equation by cross multiplication method. So question number 13, second part. The two equations given in the question are 2x plus y is equals to 5 and second equation is 3x plus 2y is equals to 8. So 2x plus y is equals to 5 and 3x plus 2y is equals to 8 are the two equations, and we need to find the pair of this linear equation by cross multiplication method. So let us solve this by cross multiplication method. So for applying cross multiplication method we need to convert this pair of linear equation into a standard form of pair of linear equation. So let us convert this in standard form. For converting this in standard form, the equation 1 can be 2x plus y minus 5 is equals to 0, and the second equation will be 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equals to 0, okay. I have written these two equations in the standard form like this. Now after writing in the standard form, let us determine the coefficients and the constant terms. So the coefficients will be a1 is equals to 2 and a2 is equals to 3, then b1 is equals to 1 and b2 is equals to 2, okay. Then c1 is equals to minus 5 and c2 is equals to minus 8. So these are the values of coefficients and the constant term. Now let us apply the cross multiplication method. How will we apply the cross multiplication method? First we will write x, y and 1. So x, y and 1 then is equals to like this, then b, c, a and then again b. So b के नीचे हम क्या लिखेंगे? b1 and b2. We will write it as b1 b2, c1 c2, a1 a2 and then again b1 b2 like this. Okay. Now in place of this constants and coefficients we can substitute their numerical value. For example b1 का value कितना है? 1, b2 का value 2. So let us substitute these values in this variables and this coefficients and the constant terms. So after this we will say substitute values of coefficients and constant terms. Substituting the value of coefficients and the constant terms, this will give you x, y and then 1 is equals to. Now in place of b1 I can write 1 and in place of b2 I can write 2. So here we will have 1 and then 2. Then in place of c1 and c2, c1 is minus 5, c2 is minus 8. This will be minus 5 and this will be minus 8. Okay. Then in place of a1 a2, a1 is 2 and a2 is 3. So in place of a1 a2 you will get 2 and 3. Okay. 2 and 3. Then in place of b1 and b2, b1 b2 is 1 and 2. So in place of b1 b2 I will write 1 and 2. Okay. So मैंने कुछ अलग नहीं किया, मैंने सिर्फ और सिर्फ वैल्यूज को उठा के यहां पर सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया इस तरह से. Now after substituting the value we will cross multiply these values to obtain the denominators of x, y and 1. हमने यही चीज करी थी. This is x upon something, this is y upon something, this is 1 upon something. Now what I can get for x? I will say this will be x upon you will get 1 into minus 8. What is 1 into minus 8? 1 into minus 8 will be minus 8 only. So 1 upon x upon this is minus 8. Then 2 into minus 5. 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. Okay. लेकिन ये नीचे से ऊपर जाने का है, that is from bottom to top. तो यहां पर आएगा minus of minus 10. Okay. This is 2 into minus 5. ये जो हमने इस तरह से किया है. Similarly, this value 5 into this is minus 5 into 3. So minus 5 into 3 will be what? It will be minus 15. So you will get x is equals y upon minus 5 into 3 is 15. Minus 5 into 3. This is minus 15. So minus 15. And then this 8 into minus 8 into 2. So what is minus 8 into 2? It will be minus 16. So minus of minus 16. Okay. Now similarly I can say this is equals to 1 upon what? 1 upon 2, 3, 1 and 2. So 1 upon 2 into 2. Okay. This one. This is a1 into b2, 1 upon 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4. So this is 4. This I will write as 4. Then 3 into 1. 3 into 1 will give you minus, this 3 into 1 is 3 only. So यहाँ पे आ जाएगा minus 3. Okay. Minus of 3 क्यों लिखा? Because नीचे से ऊपर जा रहे हैं यहाँ से. a to b1 क्या होता है? a to b1 is negative. Okay, that's why it is minus of 3. Now you obtain this expression. Now let us solve this expression. You will get x upon minus 8 and this will be minus of minus 10 matlab plus 10, okay, is equals to y upon minus 15 and minus of minus 16 is plus 16. Minus of minus 16 is what? It is plus 16. So you will obtain this expression is equals to 1 upon 4 into minus 4 minus 3 is 1 only. Okay. Now solving this further, x upon minus 8 plus 10 is 2 is equals to y upon minus 15 plus 16 is 1 is equals to 1 upon 1. So you will get the value of x. The value of x will be equals to 2 and the value of y will be equals to 1. Okay. So in this way we need to solve this pair of linear equation by applying cross multiplication method. You can see this is a very simple method. इसमें कोई खास ऐसी डिफिकल्टी नहीं है, आपको सिर्फ वैल्यूज डिटरमाइन करनी है और उन्हें यहाँ सब्सटीट्यूट करना है और सब्सटीट्यूट करके वैल्यूज को फाइंड आउट करना है, सॉल्यूशन को फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, सो दिस कंप्लीट्स द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. सो फर्स्ट यू कैन नोट दिस, देन वी विल डिस्कस द थर्ड पार्ट. Okay, so now let us solve the third part of question number 13 by applying the same cross multiplication method. So third part of the question number 13 is x minus 3y minus 7 is equals to 0 and 3x minus 3y minus 15 is equals to 0. So this is a pair of linear equation and we need to determine the solution of this pair of linear equation by applying cross multiplication method. Now for cross multiplication method first we need to convert these two equations in the standard form. ये हमेशा याद रखिए, जब भी आप cross multiplication method लगाने वाले हैं first convert the equations into standard form. Okay, this is a prerequisite for application of cross multiplication method. So these equations we can see are already exist in the standard form. Okay, these are in the standard form. Hence if we have these two equations in standard form, let us determine the values of coefficients and the constant terms. So the value of coefficients and the constant terms will be, coefficients is a1 and a2. What is the value of a1? a1 is 1 and what is a2? It is 3. Then b1 is minus 3 and b2 is again minus 3. So this is b1 and b2 are minus 3 and minus 3. Okay. Then c1 is minus 7 and c2 is equals to minus 15. Okay. So these are the values of coefficients and the constant term. Now to determine, to apply the cross multiplication method, we will write for cross multiplication method x then y then 1 is equals to and one more is equals to. Now we will write b, c, a and then b. So this is b1, b2, c1, c2, a1, a2 and again b1 and b2. Okay, in this manner. Now let us substitute the value of coefficients and the constant term. Substitute values of coefficient and constant term. Okay, substitute the value of coefficient and the constant term. So this will give you x upon, now first this b1 b2, what is the value of b1 b2? b1 is minus 3 and b2 is again minus 3. So this is minus 3 and again minus 3. Then this is y this is 1. Then in place of C1 and C2, the value of C1 and C2 is minus 7 and minus 15. So minus 7 and minus 15. Okay. Similarly, what is the value of A1 and A2? The value of A1 and A2 is 1 and 3. So in place of A1 and A2, I can write 1 and then 3. Now what is the value of B1, B2? Just we have determined right now the value of B1 and B2 is minus 3 and minus 3. So in place of B1 and B2, I can write minus 3 and minus 3. Now let us solve this. How will we solve? This will be solved by writing x upon is equals to y upon is equals to 1 and upon something. Okay. So what will come in the denominator of x? We will say first this will be minus 3 into minus 15. What is minus 3 into minus 15? Minus 3 into minus 15 is 45. 15 3s are 45 and the 2 minus will become plus. So this will give you 45. So x upon 45 minus y minus, because हम नीचे से ऊपर जाएंगे bottom to top, so this will give you minus. So minus 3 into minus 7. What is minus 3 into minus 7? Minus 3 into minus 7 is 21. Okay, positive 21. So this will give you 21. Now second, minus 7 into 3. So minus 7 into 3 is what? It is minus 21. So this will give you minus 21 minus, then what? Minus, then minus 15 into 1. So what is minus 15 into 1? It will give you minus 15 only. So this is minus 15. Then 1 upon something. What is 1? 1 upon this. 1 into minus 3. What is 1 into minus 3? It is minus 3 only. So this is minus 3. Then minus, then 3 into minus 3. So what is 3 into minus 3? 3 3s are 9, but with a negative sign. So this will give you minus 9. So minus 9. Okay. Then by solving it further, you will get x upon 45 minus 21. What is 45 minus 21? First you subtract 20 from 45, you will get 25. Then subtract 1 more, you will get 24. So x upon 45 minus 21 is 24. Okay. In this way you can subtract is equals to y upon what? Minus 21 and minus of minus 15 is plus 15. This is equals to 1 upon minus 3 and minus of minus 9 is plus 9. Like this you will get the value. Now solving it further, x upon 24 is equals to y upon, this is minus 21 and plus 15. What is minus 21 plus 15? After 15 you will count till 21, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 1 more 21. So it is minus 6 is equals to 1 upon this minus 3 plus 9 will give you plus 6. Now we can obtain the value of x and y. The value of x will be x upon 24 is equals to 1 upon 6. Solving this you will get 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24 and the value of x is 4. Okay. Similarly the value of y upon minus 6 is equals to 1 upon 6. This will give you the value of y as minus 1. Hence we have obtained the value of x and y as 4 and minus 1 by this method, by application of cross multiplication method. Again we have seen that the method is not difficult, just we need to be very careful while calculation. Okay, this calculation, if this calculation is wrong, you will not get the correct answer. Okay, so you need to remember this. So in this manner you need to solve the pair of linear equation by cross multiplication method, and this is the end of question number 13. Okay, so you can note this, then we will continue.